think I'm ready. Maybe. I don't know. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you what is inside my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of March. It does feel like I just did February's, but then again February came late, but whatever. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So I do have my March Ipsy Glam Plus and my Refreshments order in, and I'm ready to show you guys what I got and give you an update on one of the products from Refreshments already that my niece Lexi gave. So let's just go ahead and dive on into it. Okay, first let's go ahead and start with the Refreshments products I got. I had gotten the pillowy shave cream, and I also got another pack of the face wipes. You guys know I really do like the face wipes. I did give the pillowy shave cream to my niece Lexi, and she said that it wasn't all that great. She said that she actually broke out into a rash after she used it, and it really didn't give her a nice shave on her legs at all. So if you want to try it, that's okay, but coming from my oldest niece Lexi, she's 14 years old, she says it's a no-go. So if she's going to say it's a no-go, I'm going to say it's a no-go. But if you want to try it out for yourself, go ahead. But I do have to say the pearly body wash they have is amazing. I absolutely love it. As you guys know, I do suffer from psoriasis, so it does make my skin a little bit more moisturized than the other soaps that I have been using. It smells great. It keeps me smelling good all day long, and I just love it. So the body wash, yes. Pillowy shave cream, no. So now that I got that taken care of, let's see what's inside my Ipsy Glam Plus. My Ipsy bag, my regular Ipsy bag. I did have a couple items outside of my bag, but here is the card for March 2021. It is Stronger Together because, as you guys know, March is National Women Empowerment Women History Month. And it says, like Cher and Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. And this is the inside of the card. And then on the back, it talks about add-ons that you can purchase with your bag. So the first outside item I have is from Shayna B. I still don't know if I'm saying that right or not. And it is the powder brush. It doesn't have a number on it. And this is what it looks like. It's a little frayed right here on the sides, but it's very soft. I actually really do like it. So I'm going to keep this, especially because I just ran my fingers over it. So I am going to keep this brush. I can never have too many powder brushes because I'm using all different types of powders lately, and I don't want to like mix powders on powder brushes, and y'all get what I'm saying. And the other outside item I have is a set of face masks from the Creme Shop. One is Peaches and Cream, the benefits of 2 masks in 1. And the other one is Blueberry Banana. They are fusion sheet masks. I'm actually going to keep these and try these out. It says for the Peaches and Cream, the peach rejuvenates and brightens signs of fatigue. And the milk side calms sensitive skin and corrects discolorations. The Blueberry Banana one says the blueberry combats fine lines and wrinkles, and the banana exfoliates to brighten skin. Interesting. I'm going to have to try these out. Now let's see what's inside the bag. First thing we have, ew! This brand's not cruelty free. It is from Benefit, and it is the Dare Real Magnet Mascara. I am going to pop this into the giveaway box because benefits not cruelty free. All right, next up from, I do believe I may be saying this wrong, but it is the brand Hydrate, and it is the Aloe E Hawaiian Face Cleanser with aloe, vitamin E, and Hawaiian botanicals. Interesting. It does say on the back that it is cruelty free, it's paraben free, and sulfate free. I'm actually going to give this a try. It says on here, the Aloe E cleanser uses a Hawaiian botanical blend of coffee berry, spirulina, and kuki oil, or kukuki oil. Yeah. This cleanser gently removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. Skin is left clean and hydrated without feeling tight. I'm actually going to try this because that sounds really interesting. And the last item I have is from Lottie London. It is the Slay All Day Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade So Good. Melissa, hold it right. And there's the shade name. I think I'm going to pass this along to my niece Lexi because I think she would like this shade. It just looks a little too pink for me, so I'm just going to pass it on to her. Now let's go ahead and see what is inside my Glam Plus bag for the month of March. Okay. Ooh, first up, we have a set of eye brushes from MOTD Cosmetics. I do know that this brand is cruelty-free and that these are synthetic bristles. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these or not because I do have a lot of eye brushes and it sucks having to keep those clean. And just to add more, just like, yeah, it's like, meh. So I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not. If I don't, they are going to go into the giveaway box. The next item I have is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the Liquid Glow Highlighter, and this is in the shade Perla. I am not a big fan of liquid highlighters. The only one that I really like is the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Cream. That's the only one I really like. So I'm going to pop this into a giveaway. And we have another product from ABH, and it is the Dip Brow Gel, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway as well because I am stupid picky when it comes to my brow products. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well. Next up, we have a blush from Ofra, and it is in the shade Bellini. It says, keep their eyes on your peaches in this natural peachy pink flush for beach time or playtime. That's kind of weird. Let's go ahead and check it out. I do love Ofra's highlighters. They are amazing. And I do have one of the blushes. I do believe it came in my Ipsy bag. I think it was the Madison Miller collaboration. So let's see here. Ooh, this is pretty. I am definitely going to keep this. Definitely going to keep this. That is super pretty. And I like the packaging too. It's nice. And last, from Dose of Colors, I have the Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. And it is in the shade 03 Fair. I am going to try this out and see how it plays with my foundations that I like to wear all the time. So that's a pretty good item. I am going to clean all this up and then I'm going to run down the prices of each product and see how much the bag was worth for this month. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down these prices. The Refreshments shave cream is $6. The Pearly Body Wash is $9. And the wipes are $6 for members. Those are the members, that's the member pricing. It is a little bit more if you are not a member and you purchase any of the Refreshments items. So for the regular Ipsy bag, the Benefit Mascara, a full-size tube, is $27. The Hydrate Aloe E Cleanser for a 5-ounce bottle is $24. The Lottie London lipstick, I did have to convert it from pounds to dollars, and for US dollars it is $8.30. The Shayna B powder brush is $23. Y'all know about me and prices with brushes. And the face masks from the Creme Shop, they are $3 each. So this pack was $6. And for the items in my Glam Plus bag, Ofra Blush, not brush. Ofra Blush is $29. The ABH Liquid Glow Highlighter is $25. And the brow product is $20. The concealer from Dose of Colors, in case y'all didn't know, I'm looking at my notebook right here. The concealer from Dose of Colors is $24. And the brush set from MOTD Cosmetics is $58. Yeah. Y'all know about me and brush sets. Prices of brush sets. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. Overall, it was a pretty decent bag. I'm kind of upset that this was included because it's not a cruelty-free brand. I thought Ipsy got that under control from last month, but it's okay. Out of the items that I got, I'm going to keep the Shayna B powder brush. I'm going to keep the Ofra blush. I can't talk. The Creme Shop face mask, the face cleanser. And I'm going to give my niece the lipstick and the concealer. I'm going to keep the concealer. And these items I'm going to pop into the giveaway box that I may be announcing next week. You have to wait and see. If you want to sign up for Ipsy Glam Plus, or their newest box, Ipsy Glam X, I do believe it's called. I can't never remember. You think I'd write it down, but no. Or if you want to sign up for Refreshments, I will place a link down in the description box. It's just a referral link. It's not an affiliate link. I don't earn any money from it should you sign up using that link. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face in this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I used for this makeup look will be listed down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! It is very rare that I get 2 items from the same brand in a bag. Very rare. I'm really interested to try out this concealer. I've never gotten yeah, I did get a concealer in my bag before. Oh, brushes galore. I got a whole set last month. I have more brushes this month.